Hey YouTube family, I welcome you to my channel. I hope you are doing good. If your videos are struggling to hit even 500 views, I need you to stop what you're doing and listen carefully, because I'm about to reveal exactly what the big YouTubers do to break through the algorithm and grow fast. Now, let's be real. YouTube is a business, first and foremost. It's not a charity handing out views and subscribers. Their main goal: make money. And how do they do that? By keeping people watching so they can show them more ads. That's it. So if you've been told that just doing the right settings or picking the right tags will magically get your video promoted, that's a lie. The truth is, YouTube favors videos that bring engagement, the kind that keeps viewers watching, clicking, commenting, and coming back for more. But here's the big question: how do you make YouTube notice your channel and push your videos to more people? Step 1. Use trending topics the right way. You cannot afford to sit back and hope people find your content. If a topic is trending, jump on it immediately. I'm talking about topics like how to grow on YouTube, how to make money online, the best YouTube strategies for beginners. Even if your channel is about entertainment, you can mix in educational content too. Why? Because people are actively searching for these topics. And guess what? More searches equals more chances for your video to be discovered. Step 2. Make your thumbnails and titles irresistible. Ask yourself, would you click on your video? If not, why should anyone else? You need a title that makes people curious and a thumbnail that pops. For example, why small YouTubers fail, do this instead. The secret to getting 1,000 views fast. You're doing YouTube all wrong. Here's why. See what I did there? In this business, curiosity sells. Step 3. Post consistently, and don't give up. You wouldn't expect a baby to start walking after one try, right? Well, your YouTube channel is no different. Big creators didn't blow up overnight, they showed up again and again until they found what works. And here's a hard truth: your first videos will not be perfect. But each one will get better. The key: keep going. Step 4. Engage with your audience like your life depends on it. If someone comments on your video, reply. If someone asks a question, answer it. The more engagement your video gets, the more YouTube will recommend it. So start conversations, pin a comment, and even ask viewers to drop an emoji in the comments just to boost interaction. Step 5. Join a community and learn from others. Let me tell you something: no successful YouTuber grows alone. They have a network, a community that supports them, shares ideas, and helps push their content. You need to do the same. Find other creators in your niche, collaborate, support each other, and watch your growth skyrocket. Final thoughts: success leaves clues. I'm not here to sell you fake hopes, I'm here to expose what actually works. If you apply these steps, your channel will grow, your views will increase, and soon, you'll look back and thank yourself for not giving up. So, are you ready to level up? Drop a comment below and tell me which tip you're going to apply first. And hey, if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your next viral video is just one strategy away.